Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to hide the pages shelf for a data visualization that we create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we will be using today is going to be the US Educational Finances dataset at a districts level. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public desktop session. Now that the dataset has loaded, we can see a summary of how many columns it has. So that's 13 columns by 370k rows, and a breakdown for all the different attributes and their data types in this dataset. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my worksheet here called Sheet 1. I'm going to drag the attribute state to columns and the total expenditure here to rows. So that now we can see a bar graph where along the x-axis is each state and along the y-axis is the total expenditure. So we can see states like California has very high expenditure relative to some of the other states like Arizona or Alaska. And we can make this more informative by sorting this from largest to smallest. Now we can see which state has the highest expenditure and which state here has the lowest on the far right. And to remove this pages shelf, we can go to the second last option in our top panel, click on the drop down, and then uncheck the option Pages Shelf. This will then hide the Pages shelf that's currently in our Sheet 1 worksheet. And so there you have it. This is how you can hide the Pages shelf for a data visualization that you create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.